so much lately. I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it is?
Now I'm gonna go quickly get ready because I am running a little bit late. Which is just because I overslept. Let me get dressed and then we'll talk. Okay, so they're here. I'm gonna go train them. And I will see you all probably after going to the cinema and that montage.
20 minutes later.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack, in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack, in my bag.
Which is a little strange, I'm not gonna lie.
No. I'm the chosen. Snow is falling. Sophie's calling. Check my list twice.
I'm not gonna lie. But that's okay. That's probably what's better. I'm gonna talk again.
They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack, in my bag. Yeah, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So, back home, as you can tell. It's 2 o'clock. No, that is actually happening because I spent the day at the cinema one night, which you've already seen. And now I'm just relaxing at home. I'm going to attempt to get the video, 2 videos edited, today's and tomorrow's. We had KFC for dinner, for lunch. It was really yummy, actually. I want to go get into more comfortable clothing, and I will see you guys in a minute.
1 pair of pants later.
Officially all bundled up, watching some TV, getting videos edited.
My sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack, in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks my sack hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling.
I'm the chosen. Snow is falling. Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing. Diamonds blinging. Carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing. Diamonds blinging. Carols singing. Favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories.
Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Now, please, that's why no one knows reasons.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes